known as Emir, the barn owl.
Oh, ഇവർക്ക് സ്പെഷ്യൽ പ്ലേസസ് ഉണ്ട് വരാൻ എൻട്രി.
There you go. Anyway,
ആ പോയിന്റ്
this is Emir, the barn owl.
ആ
The
വന്നാ ഇത്
barn owl
തരാം.
is his name barn owl because indeed they are nesting inside barns and abandoned buildings. If you look at Emir, you find that he is white in color. And being white in color, if indeed he is nesting in the green trees, he can be easily spotted by the predators. So they usually prefer to nest inside houses and abandoned buildings for the security and protection of their nests. Now, just a look at Emir's face.
അമ്മ
You see
എങ്ങനെ
this heart-shaped face? Yes, it's called a facial face. And it's very important because we want to hear sounds which are far away. When you and I want to hear sounds from Africa, we usually touch our ears like this. But because the owls, they have no hands, they have that facial face. Now, as the bird is flying close to you, come. As it's flying close to you, tell me if you can hear any sound she's making while flying, okay? So,
സൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്
please remain seated. Just remain seated. Did you hear any sound? Absolutely silent flying. The owls are known as the silent flyers of the night. Okay, can you now? Now, also in front of you is another owl. This is the Pharaoh Eagle Owl. And the Pharaoh Eagle Owl is here to show us that sometimes the prey can be on the ground and they don't need to be flying to catch the prey. So he's going to show us how they run after their prey. Let's have a look.
പറക്കാതിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരു പണി.
Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the Pharaoh Eagle Owl performing. It shows that sometimes their hunting can be also on the ground. Because they have those small rats and rodents, sometimes they have to chase them just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to our owls and our trainers.